Hi Blooms! Grabe no? Parang kahapon lang to.
The Beaniverse World Tour 2025 Philippines was on a whole new level. Lupit ng performances, solid ng production, at history in the making talaga.
Pero ano nga ba ang pinaka-wow moments na hindi natin makakalimutan? Sa vlog na ito, ibibigay ko ang 8 pinakamalupit na highlights. As for me,
mula sa mga pasabog na performances hanggang sa pinaka-unexpected moments, may mga fun facts at trivia na siguradong magpapaalala sa inyo.
So kung ready na kayong balikan ang biggest P-pop concert ever, let's go! Number 1, the grand opening. BINI came out strong. Salamin agad ang opening. Grabe, literal na goosebumps. The lighting, the live vocals, the power. Hindi mo akalain na first major world tour nila ito. Alam nyo ba na BINI personally requested na salamin ang opening song nila? Number 2, solo and duo performances. Ibang level tong part na to. Bawat dulo, may sariling flavor. Lose My Breath ni Aya at Stacy, grabe pang international. When I Grow Up ni Maloy at Joanna, both girls galore. Alam niyo ba na BINI members personally choose their duo para mapakita yung strength nila? Kaya sobrang daming pasabog. And well, kung i-compare ko to sa Grand Beaniverse, ibang-iba. Number 3, live debut ng Blink Twice. Alam nyo, kahit ako, ine-expect ko na din talaga to. First ever live performance ng Blink Twice na hindi lang basta kanta, pero full performance na grabe, ibang level talaga. So the Blink Twice performance was inspired by K-pop and Western girl groups. Kaya napansin ng international fans na pang-global na talaga ang level ng BINI. Number 4, BINI receives a sold-out award from Philippine Arena. Isa sa pinaka-goosebumps na moments is BINI was awarded for being the first Filipino act to sell out the Philippine Arena. Sobrang big deal kasi nito kasi solid na proof na kaya ng P-pop mag-dominate. Nung una, kinabahan tayo dahil akala natin hindi maso-sold out ng BINI yung concert nila. Pero gaya nga ng nakaraan na Grand Beaniverse na sold out yung tickets nila, pinatunayan lang ng mga Blooms na unstoppable tayo.
Present the certificate to you girls in recognition for being the Philippines #1 top first ever Billboard Global #1 series. You represented Filipino music very well across the globe, and you made the country very proud. Congratulations.
Number 5. Grabe, merong guest performance actually, guys. Grabe, guys. Guest performance si Maki. Ay, sorry. Blooms, nagulat din ako dito. Kasi akala natin puro Bini lang talaga yung magpe-perform. Tapos biglang lumabas si Maki. Grabe, namumula ang dilaw. Live. And the energy was unmatched. It also seems that this was Maki's biggest crowd performance ever. At dahil yan sa Bini. Number 6. Fan interaction plus Bloom's energy. Dito ako sobrang na-touch. Iba kasi yung energy ng Blooms. Parang earthquake. Sobrang lakas ng fan chants and buong arena ang nagbabibrate. For this Biniverse concert, I decided na ang kunin ko na lang ay general admission. So, kunwari ka, wala ka lang budget. Actually guys, kung may experience nyo lang ang Gen Ad vibes, ibang-iba ang Gen Ad vibes. Kasi sabi nga nila, iba yung hype ng Gen Ad. Well anyway, gusto ko lang din makompare yung general admission ng Philippine Arena at Araneta. And don't worry, dahil darating din ang time, mag-BBIP tayo. Watch out! Number 7. Bini receives an international award recognition. This is the moment na talagang napaluha tayo. Bini was honored with an international recognition award for their impact on the global music scene. Isang hakbang palapit sa international stage. The award was given by an international music organization, recognizing Bini as the fastest rising P-pop with a growing international fan base.
The winner for Best Asia Act for MTV EMX Manchester 2024 is Bini. From the United Kingdom, ito na po ang award ng MTV Europe Music Awards Best Asia Act, Bini.
And of course, number 8, the grand finale. Walang gustong umuwi, but Bini ended the show with good songs. Pero kita mong ayaw pang matapos ng crowd. Sobrang saya at sabay-sabay tayo sumayaw. Of course, after the concert, may ilan pang mga Blooms na nag-stay. Habang lumalabas nga ng Philippine Arena, ay makikita mo na may hangover pa rin talaga ang mga Blooms. Yung tipong parang nasa loob pa rin sila ng Philippine Arena kahit tapos na yung Biniverse. And one good thing pa pala guys, nakaka-touch guys kasi talagang sinurprise ng Bini ang bawat Blooms. Ito kasi yung time na bigla ka nalang magugulat at surprise talaga na biglang may sumusulpot sa likod mo na Bini. Meron mga ibang Blooms na sabi nila para na daw silang nag-VIP dahil nakita nila ng malapitan ang mga bias nila. Hanggang ngayon, parang kahapon lang talaga ang Biniverse World Tour Philippines 2025. Ang concert na ito ay hindi lang kabasta show, kundi isa ding milestone na nagpapatunay that Bini is world-class. Bini is something to be proud of as Filipinos. Ngayon, kita na natin na pasok na sila sa global standards. Kaya patuloy natin silang suportahan at ipagmalaki. Let's go Bini! Let's go Blooms!
And of course, before we end this vlog, a special shout out and thank you to Travel Jam PH for our advanced service going to Philippine Arena and going back to our respective places. Syempre, shout out na rin sa mga good friends natin na nakasabay natin sa van service.
Hi po, I'm Bini Urans. Ayan po, taga-Batasan po ako. Shout out po sa mga taga-Batasan na kasama ko. And ang bias ko, syempre, Bini Mika! I'm Sheila from Litex. And obviously, Bini Mika bias.
Ano po, Carl po. Quezon City po. Bias ko po si Yaya.
Hanggang sa next vlog, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At kung pang-global na rin ang Bini, syempre, dadako rin tayo sa mga global events. Kaya stay positive, stay proud, and stay awesome. See you again!